Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antor. Kublay pi baro kinilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Kajila Meghalaya kalamat ka jingslat jong ka Eriong bat bor Mariang kabla jia ha ka janmit sngi ublay. Kalawan ra ye ka jingjulor hadu saus pa prapulai teliki yeng bat palat arkhundai teliki blong kila syakta. Na kaliang umentri rangba ka jila ulapan na ka jingiarap syakite ki lanot banyarap lingba ki bor penyat district. Umentri rangba ka jila Konrad ki sangma ha ka ningkong ulay thu ba ula de betha iki deputy commissioner bagin pinstat ikilat ay jingirap shakilanot bangat ha ki jingsha lingsham Mariang la kumno hapo arpsaw la ni sawphra kinta kani ka jing betha aklami hadin ka jingwan lingsham kinsan ki bor ka Mariang ha keleng ki benta jong ka jila ha kani ka sngi ublay Umentri rangba ulay thu ru ba chief secretary ula de ru ban budin halor kani ka jingsha lingsham jong ka Mariang Nalor kata umentri rangba ula pentip ru ba ka Sorkar jila kala depru ban menjur ya ka polisi ban aibor hakitu ki badai pen na ka benta ban ai kila jingirap ba kirki shakilanot na du usnem baladem. Kumta menta ki DC kimdan kamsyu banayo jingbit na ka Sorkar jila na ka benta kinu kilat ai jingirap henry kila ban shimhi karai ha ka bor jongki ban pinpoy ya kilat ai jingirap kentop wat ban sam yikitiar ban shnaying kumkitin sop ying. Ya kani karai light doon. La deban ay haki deputy commissioner ula ong.
Yesterday, because of the strong winds and some heavy rainfall in certain parts of the state, there were many houses that got damaged in different districts. About 7 districts were affected and about 400 plus houses were damaged. And immediately I have asked the administration and the departments to provide the relief material to the houses, and the process has started, and different kind of relief materials including CGI sheets also are now being given to the households that were damaged. I would like to mention here that earlier during these kind of situations, the guidelines had only permitted rice and other food items to be distributed on an emergency basis, and different housing materials were not part of this emergency distribution and work. But we have changed the guidelines in the past years, and now the respective deputy commissioners at their own level, without taking any kind of necessary approval from the state authorities, can assess and distribute the CGI sheets at the district level based on their own assessment. This has really streamlined the process now, and the process for housing, which used to take sometimes 6 months to even a year before we could distribute CGI sheets. Now with the change in the guidelines, which we made in the last couple of years, the deputy commissioners have immediately acted, and today also many houses have already received relief materials including CGI sheets, and those who have not, within the next 24 to 48 hours maximum, they will receive them.